there's a bit of a sag here, which sort of indicates that the track tension is not quite right. What often happens in these situations, if someone goes to operate the machine, they'll come across and get some stones in between the tracks here, and it's very easy to run the track off, in which case it results in a call out. NZ Machine Hire staff have to go and attend to it. So it's important that these tracks are done and sent out at the correct tension to avoid that happening. Blade at the back and the bucket down at the front, lift it up, and you can see now that the track tension, or lack of it, is accentuated. You can see it's dipping quite a bit here, and you want to put grease in it to the point where it comes up to a decent amount of tension so that we're not going to have tracks running off. Onto this grease nipple in here, make sure it seals, and you've got it directly onto the grease nipple, not up here or down like that. It'll spew out grease to the side. You can see it coming up there. Probably want it to be roughly about there. In order to check that you've got it correct, you start the machine up and run the track for a forward and back for 1 or 2 rotations, and recheck it.